My name is Laura McLaughlin. I am 77 years old. I just had my left knee replaced, and I chose Sheltering Arms because many people that I knew and talked to, they said, don't go anyplace else. I come here, both CJ and Josh. I mean, they're very comfortable to talk to. I come here and I exercise, and that's why at home I feel like I really need to work hard so they can see when I come that I have been following the directions and I have been doing what they asked me to do. The videos were wonderful. I am very visual. You know, I can look at pictures of things, but if somebody is showing me in video time, I catch on a whole lot faster. A really nice lady called me. She looks at my progress. You know, she'll say, is there anything that you don't understand or you want me to go over? I mean, she really talks to me about what's happening to me. It's very encouraging to me. I need that encouragement.